So in today's video, we're going to start looking at Sketch Practice 1, Part 1. It's a fairly easy part. Inside of OnShape, we're going to identify this point here as my start point going down 2.5. Right, so I've got OnShape opened up. I'm going to hit Create, Document, and label it Sketch Practice 1. Just like I've done in the past, I'm going to start a new sketch on my front view. On the left hand side, I'm going to click these eyes to make them invisible. I don't want to work from my isometric view, so I'm going to switch it to my front view. Now I'm ready to begin. Again, I said that we're going to start here going down 2.5. So I'm going to click my line tool, I click my yellow dot. As I move my cursor down, I need to make that click. I type in 2.5. Now I'm going to move to the left. Right? Simple math. If I take my 4 minus 2.5, this line here is 1.5 inches, or 1.5. I'll go to the left, and I click, type in 1.5. Now it's moving up. Again, my blueprint identifies that it goes up 1 inch. It goes over to the left, 1 inch. So up, I make my click, 1 inch. Then I'm going to my left, I make my click, 1 inch. It's going down 1 inch. And then back over to the left, again, 1.5. I go back to my blueprint. Again, the length of this line here is the same as this, so 2.5. And then it comes back to my my start point. Right? What I should see is that grayed out figure. Next up, I'm going to add those circles. I've got a circle here and a circle here, both at 0.5. So I click circle. Anywhere over here, click, 0.5. Circle over here, click, 0.5. Right? But now you'll see that the dimensions are blue. The blue means that I need more dimensions. Right? So from here to here is 0.75. So I click this dimension tool. From here to here, 0.75. And then from center of my right side to center of my left side is 2.5. Right? You'll notice it's still blue. Every circle needs 3 dimensions. We need its diameter, we need a dimension going left to right, and we need a dimension going top to bottom. So I've done my left to right and I've done my diameter. Now I need from the top to the center. If I look at my blueprint, my dimension from the top to the center is 0.75. So again, I click dimension, I click my top, I click my center, 0.75. Now you notice that it is black, it is fully dimensioned, 0.75. Notice all of my lines are black, it's fully dimensioned, I'm ready to extrude it. I can hit this finish sketch, this green check. I like to do my extrusions from the isometric or 3D view. This view cube over here, if I click on it, it'll say isometric. Then my option here is to extrude. To the right of sketch, extrude. I click on my shape. Notice it's going into 3D view. And my extrusion is 0.5 according to my blueprint. And there's my part. Right? But with this blueprint, right, this one assignment, Sketch Practice 1, has 3 parts to it. So rather than creating 3 separate OnShape files, inside of this one, which I already labeled Sketch Practice 1, I can go down to the plus here and it says Create Part Studio. what that has done is created kind of a sub part inside of Sketch Practice 1. And I can begin part 2. Alright, but I'll save that for a second video. Thanks for watching.